Hello, my name is John Olmedo, owner of Performance Audio and Video, based out of San Antonio, Texas. We are here today at Wave to install the new Elura commercial speakers. I was actually excited about these new speakers coming out. For some reason, it's kind of crazy that they brought them up. I have a lot of commercial jobs coming up that require the 70-volt system, so I think it's pretty good that they came up with something like this for us. Wave makes it easy with this new Elura commercial speaker, so it shouldn't be too bad for anybody that's starting this up or trying to do it themselves. It's very simple. Very simple to install. I didn't have no issues at all. I think anybody that's in this kind of industry will have no issues with them. They sounded great. I highly recommend it to all the installers. I love them.